Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the oldest cities in India, Madurai, located in Tamil Nadu. Known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture, Madurai is a treasure trove of fascinating facts. So, let's explore 15 amazing things you probably didn't know about this incredible city. Fact number 1. Did you know that Madurai is often referred to as the Athens of the East? This nickname comes from its ancient history, dating back over 2,500 years. The city has been a significant cultural and commercial hub since the times of the Pandya dynasty. Fact number 2. Our second fact centers around the iconic Meenakshi Amman temple. This temple is a stunning example of Dravidian architecture and is dedicated to goddess Meenakshi, an incarnation of Parvati. It features 14 magnificent gopurams, or towers, with intricate carvings and sculptures. Fact number 3. Madurai is known for its vibrant festivals. The most famous one is the Meenakshi Thirukalyanam, celebrated every April. This festival reenacts the celestial marriage of Meenakshi and Lord Shiva, attracting thousands of devotees and tourists. Fact number 4. Did you know Madurai is often called the Jasmine City? It's renowned for its fragrant jasmine flowers, particularly the Madurai Mali, which is sought after for its exquisite fragrance and is a staple in South Indian garlands. Fact number 5. Madurai has a rich linguistic heritage. It's home to Tamil literature that dates back centuries. The famous Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar is believed to have lived in this region, contributing to the rich tapestry of Tamil culture. Fact number 6. Moving on, Madurai was also the site of the first assembly of the Madras Presidency in the 19th century, reflecting its historical importance in governance and politics during British rule. Fact number 7. One cannot visit Madurai without mentioning the Thirumalai Nayakkar Palace. Built in the 17th century, this architectural marvel showcases a mix of Islamic and Indian styles, with grand arches and beautiful courtyards. Fact number 8 is about food. Madurai is famous for its street food. Don't miss trying the local delicacies like jigar thanda, a cold dessert, and the delectable Madurai-style biryani. Fact number 9. Madurai is also known for its vibrant handicrafts. From exquisite silk saris to intricate brassware, the craftsmanship here reflects the rich cultural heritage of Tamil Nadu. Fact number 10. Beyond Meenakshi Temple, there are several historical temples in Madurai, such as the Kudal Ajagar Temple and the Alagar Koil. Each of these temples has its unique architecture and stories that add to the city's allure. Fact number 11. Did you know that the Vaigai River flows through Madurai? This river is vital for agriculture and has historical significance, often mentioned in ancient Tamil literature. Fact number 12. Madurai houses the Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, established in 2018. This was a significant step in decentralizing judicial functions in Tamil Nadu. Fact number 13. Madurai is not just about history and culture, it's also an educational hub. Institutions like Madurai Kamaraj University are known for their contributions to higher education in the region. Fact number 14. Madurai was a significant stop on the ancient trade routes connecting India with Southeast Asia. Merchants would trade spices, textiles, and other goods, boosting the city's economy. Lastly, fact number 15. Madurai boasts a unique blend of modernity and tradition, with contemporary architecture harmonizing alongside its ancient structures, showcasing the city's evolution over time. That wraps up our 15 amazing facts about Madurai. Whether you're planning to visit or just curious about this ancient city, we hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights from around the world.